Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $9,000 level. We are currently ranked at 236 with a market cap of about $299 million. We have a 24-hour volume for about $54 million, and today we are going to be looking at what is the weekly open and what that means basically right here for YFI going forward, right? So in the last 24 hours, YFI is down about 0.2%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We on the weekly time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So for YFI, we have seen the week open with this sort of bearish candle, showing that basically these were on the weekly chart for YFI, by the way. So we could see that prices could come into this $8,500 level, right? So we could see prices coming to this $8,500 level, have some sort of consolidation before we continue our upside. If we just flip to the daily, daily gives us a better context as to what is happening and a pictorial representation. As you can see right here, we just lost the trending EMAs right here on the daily, showing that this retracement could take us right back to the macro EMA, which is the $8,500 level, before we see some sort of continuation back to the upside, right? So this week could just be more sideways action, stroke bearish price action, push into that 8,600, 8,500 consolidation before we continue our uptrend for YFI. So basically, if we just look at the volume profile, as you can see, volume profile, we are seeing some selling price action occurring. Momentum has shifted in favor of the bears, right? So this week might be some sort of a bearish week, stroke sideways price action. So just expect some sort of that as regards our opening right here for YFI. So basically, that's the update right here. We are expecting to see prices next at the 8,600. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.